is Rain Carries. I just completed a pre-trip inspection of the vehicle and made sure everything was clear and clean and that everything was functional, no damage. Here at Musket, we also have a mechanic shop. So if I had an issue with a light or something on the vehicle was not up to standards, I can drive right through the mechanic shop and they would do the repairs. I'd also like to share with you my over-the-road bag. It's of all the good stuff that I bring to eat while I'm on the road. Let's go check that out. So this is my over-the-road bag. It's my food for fuel while I'm on the road. And let's take a peek inside. So first of all, I have this template. It's my menu. It's what I plan to have over my trucking trip. And within this bag is a lot of goodies. As you know, you are what you eat, so we gotta eat healthy. First of all, I have a watermelon. I also bring shots of V8. It gives me the full 1 dose of vegetables. I also made some curry chicken and spaghetti, and I freeze these, and so they last me all week. And with the curry chicken, I actually use free-range chicken, chop up a lot of vegetables and all that good stuff. And with the spaghetti, I usually use veggie meat, but unfortunately I had to use turkey. And so when I made this dish, I actually had to squeeze out all the oil from the meat because I don't want that in my system. And I also have in here salad, which helps to break down your foods. And I also have another V8. Coconut water is a must. It rehydrates, it has potassium, it fuels my body well, so I totally am happy to be bringing that. I also have some squash. It's in a bag, but I have a squash that I blended up and it's very nutritional. I'm looking forward to that. I also get Gatorade, but as you can see, it's 0 sugar. Sugar and salt, I really tried not to put in my system as much. It's not that you have to take it all out, but sometimes the foods that we grab on the road, they have too much salt and sugar. Some more curry chicken spaghetti, just in case I break down, I gotta make sure I'm still eating healthy. I also have some cherries. It's cherry season, and grapes, yum yum. I also have my almond milk, which I totally enjoy for the calcium, and it tastes good. I have an apple. I only had one, but at least I have an apple. And for another snack, I also have some dark chocolate with nuts in it, almond. And last but not least, I have my vitamins. I have my A, B, C, Ds with me. And I also bring Evian water, and I drink green tea, and I also have ginger tea on me today. And this is my over-the-road bag. This is all that I have for you guys today, and I hope it was helpful. And I hope that you benefit from eating healthy on the road, because we all know how it feels to be tired and lethargic with all that other stuff that we're eating. And I want to know that what I got, you got, and what you got, I got. So let's eat good stuff.